اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. میں پناہ مانگتا ہوں اللہ کی شیطان مردود سے. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان اور نہایت رحم والا ہے. جی نرسری, ریڈ دا فرسٹ کلمہ ود می. پہلا کلمہ طیب. طیب معنی پاک. لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. once again nursery, لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. ترجمہ: اللہ کے سوا کوئی معبود نہیں اور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اللہ کے رسول ہیں. Now nursery class, we will read Surah Ikhlas in this week. So please read with me. Surah Ikhlas. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. قل ہو اللہ احد اللہ صمد لم یلد ولم یولد ولم یکن لہ کفواً احد. سورہ الکوثر. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. انا آتینا کل کوثر فصلی لربک وانحر انا شانئک هو الابتر. صدق اللہ العظیم. Yes, nursery class, welcome to the nursery class once again. So today here is teacher Faiza is here with you with the subject of math. I will teach you math from 9 to 11 a.m. and in this time you can ask any question, any confusion, okay? And at the end I want to tell you that your homework will be the same as your classwork, okay? Yes, nursery class, before we study our maths class, you know that first we start our class with the general knowledge questions. I will repeat the question of the last 2 weeks so it will keep safe in your mind. Our question number 1 was, who are we? Yes, quickly answer nursery class. Yes, we are Muslim. Our question number 2 was, what is the name of our religion? Yes, exactly right. The name of our religion is Islam. So now tell me nursery class, what is the name of our country? Yes, the name of our country is Pakistan. Next question, what is the color of our flag? The color of our flag is green and white. Exactly right, nursery class. Question number 5 is, what we found in our flag? Exactly right, nursery class. Star and crescent. Question number 6, how many prayers in a day? Right, there are 5 prayers in a day. Question number 7, What are the names of prayers? The answer is Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Now the question number 8 is, how many days in a week? It's a tough one question, history class. So that's why I repeat this question in the current week also. So the answer is, there are 7 days in a week. Question number 9 is, what are the names of days in a week? Now, so class start from the Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And question number 10 is, who is the founder of Pakistan? G. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Now nursery class, there are the question of this week. So we will do these question throughout the whole week, so it will keep safe in your mind. Our first question of the week is, what is the name of our first prophet? The answer is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Nursery class, repeat with me. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Question number 12 is, what is the name of our last prophet? G. Exactly right, nursery class. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Again I will repeat. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Now the question number 2 is, how many days in a week? Answer is, there are 7 days in a week. Our question number 13 is, what are the names of days? And the answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And our question number 14 is, what is the name of our national poet? Poet means who write the poems. And the answer is Allama Iqbal. I will again repeat, Allama Iqbal. And our last question of the week is, what is our national dress? The answer is not mentioned here, but you know that Shalwar Kameez. I will repeat the answer, Shalwar Kameez. Now nursery class, it's the maths work time. So are you ready to start the counting with the teacher? Wow, very good. So let's start the counting from 0, nursery class. Ready? Yes, say ready. Yes, nursery class. So read now with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, Now nursery class, look at these two numbers. We will do these two numbers in class. So read with the teacher. 1, 1, 11. Once again nursery class. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. Nursery class, welcome to the nursery once again. You know, before we start our class, we first do our book work. Okay, so open your books and open page number 1313. Okay, have you opened this? Excellent. Now you are regular to know that what we first do on our books, we will write date on the top of our page. So what is date today? Today date is 1/7/17 dash 9 dash 2020, and we are doing this page in the class. So write down here class work. Okay, nursery class. Today is the turn of number 6. What is this number, nursery class? Number 6. So how many so what is in the picture, nursery class? Yes, these are fish. These are fish. Let's count how many fish are there. Put your finger on the fish and count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fish are there, nursery class? 6. So I will first trace the big 6. I have told you that how to write the 6. You have to make a one curve. Okay, nursery class. Then join with another curve. It makes number 6. So nursery class, come down and trace the small 6. Your tracing should be very neat, nursery class. No line come out from your dots. Okay, do the tracing like your teacher. Okay, nursery class, now trace the full line and then come to me. Nursery class, you can see that your teacher has done all the tracing. Okay, nursery class. Now what you have to do, here is a dot. Okay, you will hold the dot like this. You will make one curve. Okay, and then you will make an other curve. Okay, it makes number 6. Again you want to see, make one curve and join with another curve. It makes number 6. Once again, nursery class, one curve join another curve makes number 6. One curve join another curve makes number 6. Now nursery class, please do the full page and then come to me. Okay nursery, quickly, I am waiting for you. G nursery class, your teacher has completed the full page of 6. Now it's coloring time. We have to do the coloring in fish. It's your choice. You can do one color in all the fish, or you can do the different color in different fish. Okay nursery class, you know this is the fish. And what is this? You know that nursery? These are fins. Fur in fin. Now I will told you that what is fin. The fish swim with the help of its fin. Okay, it's the extra information that I am giving you. Okay nursery, so do remember that we walk with our legs and the fish swim with its fins. Okay nursery class, see teacher has give two color in one fish. You can also do it like this, or you can do only one color in the fish. You can do anything as per your choice, but just try only that your color does not come out of the picture. Okay, as I am doing. Okay, see my fish are looking so beautiful and happy with me. Do it nursery and come to me. G nursery class, see my fish are looking so beautiful with colors. Okay, do the colors in it. Okay, because I always like and love colors. Now turn the next page and come to this page. Oh my god, lots of picture. It means lots of colors. Nursery class, on the top of the page write down, here is written match. Okay, here is lots of birds and there are 3 numbers are there. Okay, it means that we have to count the birds and we will circle the correct number. Okay nursery class, we have done this before. Okay, I have told you and I am telling you once again that how to count, that you have to put the finger on the object and count slowly like your teacher. Okay nursery class, your mother will not count. Okay, you will count it with your teacher only. Okay nursery class, otherwise I will not give you a star. So count nursery class, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again count nursery class, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fours are there? Sorry, how many birds are there nursery class? 4 birds. So nursery class, is this a number 4? No, 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 no. Is this a number 4? No, 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 no nursery. So let's move forward. Is this a number 4? Yes. So quickly circle number 4. Okay nursery class. Now come down to the next picture. Wow, what is this nursery? Kites. You like kites nursery? Yes, I love it nursery. So let's count how many kites are there. Put your finger on the object and count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many kites are there? 5. Now let's find out number 5. Is this a number 5 nursery class? No. Is this a number 5 nursery class? No, no, no. Is this a number 5? Yes. Quickly circle nursery and make good circles. Oh my god, balloon. Every kid love balloon nursery, and I think it's very easy. How many balloons are here? Yes, only one. And we will quickly find out the one. Where is one? Where is one? Where is one? Yes, this is the number 1. Quickly circle it. Now nursery class, come to the next line. Yes, you have pencils, nursery class. Yes, I also have lots of pencil in my home. Now let's count the pencils. Put your finger and then count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pencils are there, nursery class? 6. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which number you have to find out, nursery class? Yes, number 6. Is this a number 6, nursery? No. Is this a number 6? No, no, no. So is this a number 6? Yes. Quickly circle number 6, nursery. Oh yes, let's come to the next picture, my favorite picture. These are fish. So let's count how many fish are here. How we count? We will put finger and then count slowly. 1, 2, 3. Again nursery. 1, 2, 3. So which number we will find out? We will find out number 3. Oh, it's here, nursery class. It's so simple and easy. Quickly circle number 3, nursery. Now, what is this, nursery class? Yes, these are umbrellas. We use it in the rain, nursery. You know na, you have umbrella, nursery? Very good. So let's count how many umbrellas are there. 1, 2. How many umbrellas are there? 2. So which number we will circle? Number 2. So is this a number 3? Sorry, is this a number 2? No. Is this a number 2? Yes. Quickly circle number 2, nursery class. Now nursery class, we will color in this picture and then come to this portion. Okay, quickly circle and come to me. See, nursery class, your teacher has done beautiful color and no color is coming out from the picture and the picture has full color. Okay, there is no blank space. Okay, I have put the color in all the spaces. Okay, nursery, so do the coloring like your teacher. So nursery class, let's come to the next portion. Okay, what you have to do, you circle 5. This is one box. Okay, you can see the box and they are saying us to circle number 5. Okay, we will not circle number 1, number 2, number 3. What we circle? We will circle only number 5. Okay, we will not circle any other number. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? Yes. So circle number 5. Now come down. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? Yes. So circle number 5. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? Yes. So we will circle number 5. I will again told you that we will not circle any other number. We will only circle number 5. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? No. Is this a number 5? Yes. So circle number 5. Okay, nursery class. So is this a number 5? No. So we will not circle here. We have completed this box. Come to the next box. What they are saying to us? Yes. Now they are saying circle number 4. What is this number? Number 4. So we will find out number 4 in this box and we will circle only number 4. We will not circle any other number. Is this a number 4? Yes. Circle it, nursery. Is this a number 4? No. 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 Is this a number 4? Yes. Wow, nursery class, your teacher is too intelligent. She is finding very quickly. Here is another number 4. Wow. Teacher is too good, nursery. So is this a number 4? No. Is this a number 4? No. Is this a number 4? Yes. Oh my God. Is this a number 4? No. Yes. Here is one more number 4, nursery. Circle number 4. Nursery class, what I decided today that we will do 3 pages today because the third page is very simple. This is number 4 and in these boxes we only have to write number 4. This is not a big page, so write down number 4. Now you remember how to write number 4? One slanting line, one sleepy line and one standing line. See, nursery class, again the same happened. So complete number 4 and come to me. So also, oops. See, nursery class, your teacher has completed the number 4. Next, what is the next number? Yes, the next number is number 5. So we will write in these blocks number 5. One sleepy line, one standing line and one curve. You remember, nursery class, we make apple with the number 5? Really? I also like that activity, nursery class. And you know, today we will again do the activity because I know that you love to do activity, okay? And this activity you have to send me in your homework, not in your classwork. And I have told you that it's your choice to draw the picture in the classwork, okay? Otherwise it's not necessary today. Now it's turn of number 6. Write down number 6, nursery class, and come to me. G, nursery class. Now I have completed my full page. You also have to complete like this. Okay, nursery class. So we have completed our book work. G, nursery class. Welcome to our class once again. And you know it's our board work time, nursery class. And you know first we revise our work that we have done in our previous week. So nursery class, do the counting with your teacher. Okay, nursery class. G. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now nursery class, come to the next line. In the green line, nursery class, it's 1, 0, 10. Okay, nursery class, I have told you that don't read like 10, 11, 12. Okay, teacher will give you a cross on it. So read like your teacher. 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. Okay, nursery class. Next, the new family start, which is 2, 0, 20. Okay, don't read like this 20, 21. Okay, you have to read like 2, 0, 20. 2, 1, 525. And yes, nursery class, you know that today we will start from 2, 6, 26. Okay? So look these numbers carefully. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. And then 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. You want to do the reading from 2, 6 one more time, nursery? Okay, let's do it. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. And then 3, 0, 30. G nursery class. Now come to the missing numbers nursery class. G nursery class. Now you look at the picture that teacher has drawn for you. Nursery class, these are shapes. And can you please tell me the name of the shape, nursery class? See, it has 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. How many lines, nursery class? 3. So today I will tell you the name of this shape. Okay? And I will ask you in the next lecture. This shape is called triangle. What is the name of the shape, nursery class? Triangle. Again, nursery class? Yes. Triangle. And you can see that some triangles have number and some triangles don't have the number. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to count and put the number in the missing triangles. Okay, nursery class? So look at the first triangle. What is the number of the blue triangle, nursery class? Yes, you can read G. The blue triangle number is 2, 6, 26. Again, nursery class? 2, 6, 26. So nursery class, what comes after 2, 6, 26? Yes, exactly right, nursery class. 2, 7, 27. What comes after nursery class? 2, 6, 26? 2, 7, 27. And nursery class, yes, they have right 2, 8, 28 in the yellow triangle. Right? What is the color of this triangle? Yellow. Move to the green triangle, nursery class. What comes after 2, 8, 28? Yes, think quickly. Exactly right, nursery class. 2, 9, 29. Very good. What comes after 2, 8, 28? 2, 9, 29. Excellent, nursery class. Now come to the next triangle. Come to the pink triangle, nursery class. What comes after 2, 9, 29? Yes, think. G. Girls are always right, nursery. 3, 0, 30. So we will write here 3, 0, 30. Clap for you, nursery class. Now nursery class, open your classwork copy and we are going to do the work on our classwork copy. G nursery class, have you opened your classwork copy? So first what we do on our classwork copy? Yes, we write date on the top of our page. So on the right hand side, write down date. Nursery class, your mama will not write the date, okay? You are grown up now, you write the date by yourself. Write down 1, 7, 17. Dash 9. Dash 20, 20. And I think now you know very well that what we write on the middle of the page? Yes, we write C dot W. Okay, nursery? And nursery class, you know that today we will do the counting from 2, 6, 26 to 30, 30. Okay, nursery class? Write down also by giving 2 finger space. Okay? Come to the first block, nursery class. In the first block, we will write 2 and here we write 6. Again, I want to tell you that we will write 2 in one block and 6 in another block. We will not write the 2 numbers in one block. Okay? So what is this number, nursery class? 2, 6, 26. Again, nursery class, 2, 6, 26. Again, nursery class, we will put finger in the next block, and please nursery, boys and girls, say it with the teacher, leave one block. Again, say it with me, leave one block. And write down here, nursery class, 2, 6, 26. 2 in one block and 6 in other block. And in the next block, put your finger and say it with the teacher, leave one block. And write down here, 2, 6, 26. Now nursery class, complete the line of 26 and come to me. G nursery class, we have done the line of 2, 6, 26. Come to the next line. Here we will again put the finger and say, leave one block. And write down here, nursery class, 2, 7, 27. What we will write here? 2, 7, 27. In the next block, we will leave one block and write down here 2, 7, 27. Okay, nursery class? Now complete the full line of 2, 7, 27 and come to me. G nursery class, your teacher have done the line of 2, 7, 27. I hope that you also have done it. Now come to the next line, nursery class. In the next block, we will leave one block and write down here 2, 8, 28. Okay, nursery class? We will write 2 in one block and 8 in another block. Now in the next block, we will say leave one block. Okay? And write down here 2, 8, 28. Nursery class, your work should be as neat as your teacher is doing. Okay? Now complete the full line of 2, 8, 28 and come to me. G nursery class, we have completed the line of 2, 8, 28. Now move to the next number, nursery class. In the next block, we will say with the teacher, leave one block. And we will write here 2, 9, 29. Okay, nursery class, say it with me. 2, 9, 29. In the next block, we will leave one block. Say it with me, nursery class, leave one block. And write down here, nursery class, 2, 9, 29. Okay, nursery class, now do the line of 29 and come to me. G nursery class, your teacher have done the line of 29. Okay, nursery class, so our last number is left. So move to the next number, nursery class. Can you please tell me what number comes after 2, 9, 29? G, exactly right. 30, 30. In the next block, we will put a finger and say it with the teacher, leave one block. And write down here 30, 30. Excellent, nursery class. Now again we will say leave one block. and complete the full page of 30 nursery class. Nursery class. Let's do the last time counting with your teacher, okay? 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. Nursery class, I have told you enough times that your homework is same as your classwork. Now talk about the pictures. If you want to draw the pictures, you can draw. Okay, it's up to you because I have told you. Class, ready for the activity? I have taken one plate, put these 4 color in the plate, and I am using one fork today. Okay, today we will make flower with the posture paints. Okay, nursery class, if you have one paint color, you can use one. I have told you enough time. Okay, use the thing that are easily available with you. Okay, so today we have to draw 30 flowers. So what I have to I have cut the soft chart, okay, like this, you can see, and now we are going to make flower on it. So nursery class, I will use these 3 colors for flower and green color for stem and leaf. Okay, so I will make 10 flowers with one color. Okay, first I will take red. You have to dip your fork in it like this. Okay, nursery class. Now draw 1. Now with the distance 2, 3, again dip it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have given here more space. Okay, okay, nursery class, 8. I have to draw 2 more, 9 and 10. Okay, nursery class, you can draw anywhere, upside and downside, all is your page. Nursery class, here is 10 fork, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I will remove this color with the tissue paper. It's easily removed, nursery class, and I will apply next color. Okay, I will use next yellow color. I dip my fork in yellow color, nursery class, like this. Okay, it will give yellow color here. 2, 3, 4. Oops, it comes in the green color. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nursery class, it's your choice where you want to put this. Okay, 9 and one more, so we will draw here 10. Okay, nursery class, now move to the blue color, nursery class. G nursery class, now we will find spaces for the blue color. 1, 2, oops, 3, it's okay, 4, 5, 6, here, yes, 7, 8, 9, and here we will put 10. Okay, now 10 blue forks are here. Now what is our next step? Nursery class, I have told you that we will use green color for the, sorry, look at here, I think it's not, we will use the green color for the stem. Okay, I will put my finger in the green color. Okay, it has some yellow, ignore that. I will put a green on my finger. Now with the help of the finger, make stems like this. Okay, stems of every flower like this. Okay, nursery class, now draw the stems of every flower and come to me. See nursery class, how beautiful and color forks we have draw. Now what you have to do, again put a paint on your finger and then put only one finger. Okay, it will fill our boundary. It's your choice. I am doing it just because my page look more beautiful than before. Okay, it's your choice, not necessary. Okay, do it. And again I want to tell you that let them dry for 30 minutes. Okay, and then our activity will get ready, and then put a number on the forks and write down their numbers. Okay, let them dry first. Nursery class, my activity is done and I have written the numbers on the flowers. You can see nursery class, I have beautifully write the numbers up to number 30. Okay nursery, so do it and send it to me nursery class, your beautiful flowers painting. Okay, and I am waiting for you. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz and enjoy your story.